Hello, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the thermistor on your LG dryer. If your dryer is experiencing symptoms like inconsistent drying times, longer than normal cycles, or overheating, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practical appliance repair tips. Let's get started and get your dryer back in top shape. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a power tool with the Phillips bead, a Phillips screwdriver, Flatblade screwdriver, multimeter, and the vacuum cleaner. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dryer or turn the breakers off, and also turn the gas off. The thermistor used in this dryer is mounted on the inner side of the blower housing next to the blower thermostat. Technically, it's a resistor changing its value according to the ambient temperature. We can test the thermistor at the PCB connectors. Take out 3 Phillips screws from the back of the dryer's top and slide it out. With the top panel removed, locate the PCB housing mounted in the center. Remove 2 Phillips screws to free the housing. Using the flatblade screwdriver, undo the tabs and open the cover. Locate the plug NA8 and disconnect it. Set your multimeter for the resistance, the horseshoe-like sign, and insert the probes into yellow and blue connector slots. At 60 degrees Fahrenheit, resistance should be 14.2 kiloohms. At 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 11.7 kiloohms. At 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 9.3 kiloohms. If the result is way off, replace the thermistor. Move to the front and pull the water tank drawer on the left and remove the water tank. Using the flatblade screwdriver, press the locking tab up from underneath the drawer and take it out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws, one on each side of the drawer opening. Move to the right corner and remove 1 more Phillips screws from the back of the control panel. Disconnect control board plugs. Pull on the top and remove the control panel. Open the door and remove 4 Phillips screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, remove top Phillips screws that hold the front panel. Use a flatblade screwdriver to release the catch on the top right and tilt the front panel for about an inch. Disconnect the white and the pink plugs from the door switch and the light and remove the front panel. Remove 4 Phillips screws from the top of the front bracket and take the bracket away. Get down and disconnect the sensor plug on the right. Next step is to take out 2 Phillips screws on each side, lift up and remove the front bulkhead. I recommend wearing gloves for the next step. Don't get shy, get on your 4 and reach under the drum from both sides. Push up the idler pulley and remove the belt of the motor pulley, pull on the belt and slide the drum out of the cabinet. You may clean the dryer. Using a vacuum cleaner, carefully not to break the igniter, clean the lint out. Get to the rear and clean the duct pipe. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, take 1 screw out and slide the thermistor out. Disconnect the plug. This is the old thermistor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Reconnect the plug, slide the new thermistor in and secure it with a Phillips screw. Don't get lazy, we still need to put it all together so it can be called a dryer again. Place the belt on the drum with the ribs inside. Install the drum inside, make sure that the rear edge is on the 3 rollers. Place the gloves on and dive under the drum. Loop the belt over the idler pulley, push the idler pulley up and install the loop over the motor pulley. Slowly turn the drum 1 full turn manually to check the belt position. Bring and install the front bulkhead. Make sure all support rollers are under the drum. Lock the front bulkhead into 4 pilot holes on the sides and secure the bulkhead with the 4 Phillips screws. Install the top front bracket. Lock in the side hooks and secure everything with 4 Phillips screws, the longer ones on the sides of the cabinet. Get down and connect the sensor plug on the right. Bring the front panel, install it on the bottom hinges. Tilt it forward, reconnect the white and the pink plugs. Using the flatblade screwdriver, lift the catch on the right upper corner and secure the front panel with 4 Phillips screws. Open the door and install 2 Phillips screws at the bottom and 2 Phillips screws at the top. Install the lint filter. Mount the control panel. Install 2 Phillips screws on the sides of the dispenser drawer opening and 1 more from back in the right corner. Connect all the plugs. Install the top panel, push it forward to lock, and secure with 3 Phillips screws from the back. Install the water tank drawer in. Lift the tab with the flatblade screwdriver and push it in. Place the water tank inside the drawer and slide the drawer in. Plug the dryer in and don't forget to open the gas. Fantastic job on replacing your LG dryer's thermistor. We hope our guide made it easier for you to bring your appliance back to its best performance. We would love to hear how your repair went, so please share your experience in the comments below. If you need a new thermistor or any other part, just have your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us with your repair, and we are excited to assist you with your next DIY project.